If a job you do, you're not doing it. Babsy Grange. Babsy Grange, Babsy Grange, Babsy Grange. Every day we look on the killings on the road, we look on the nonsense on the road, I look on the murder in my country. And Babsy Grange, you know, believe that the music is encouraging that and influencing that, Babsy Grange. I've been doing video for a very long time, and I don't know what I wait for before they make a move in Jamaica. I don't know what you guys gonna wait for. The music is influencing a lot of things in my country. The murders. And no videos me about there. And when me just start with them video, people say, what kind of music you talk about? No, the music is this, that, and the other people. A long time I talk about this. I mean, the only man will come out strong and say this. I don't care about feedback. You saw me just start say this. I pay a rockstone and fling off me in the comment section. Them use my own 2x4 and run me down and beat me.
Right now you know we unstoppable. Unstoppable, that mean them can't stop you. Unstoppable, so now we are trained.
One Unstoppable family, me gonna ask you a question. And it could be an easy question to answer. What is your opinion on the influence of music? Do you feel like music has a strong influence on what another person does? Yes or no? Tell me in the comment section. Because that is what the topic is today. You know, over time there has been this debate, this ongoing debate as a matter of fact, about the influence that music has, especially on young impressionable minds like the youths, right? A lot of people always say, yo, the music is too violent, the music is influencing the youth, them to act out and do things. And then you have those who defends it strongly and say, listen me, if the music violent, then we're not going to say about movies, because you have movies where violent just as much as songs are even worse. Well, that is what Jamaican Carlos is here addressing right now. Carlos has talked about the music and the violence that it depicts, and it's saying, and Carlos has said, yo, the music influence the youth them to do things, especially the one them we are telling them to get up and go kill people at middle day in a broad daylight or else you're a coward. Especially the one them we are telling the young girls them say, yo, that show no morals and do things in order to be cool. Make we listen to what Carlos has said.
I'm reminded of how bad the music is, and the youth them learn. You learn the ABC by singing it. The ABC you learn by singing it. Music is the highest. Music alone shall live. Music is powerful. Even artists don't know how powerful music is, because they will be so stupid and ignorant enough to tell us, say, they're not role models. You must be parent of your own kid. Teach your kid this, teach your kid that. But in reality, you're marketing the kids for kids, the music for kids, towards kids, because the parents now buy your music. Your parents now upload and download them, or download and upload them. Your parents are not doing that. And the kids them are listen to the music. And the kids them are dance to the music. Guess what the music I tell you them say? If you take up gun and come kill you and not care. Guess what the music I tell you them say? You are a punk if you only kill at night. Guess what the music I tell you them say? If you go out there daytime, go kill for prove, say you're a bad man. Guess what the music I tell you them say? Ensure is, look on all ensure in upon schools. Big old people are used ensuring in the dancehall, adults, man and woman, in a Egitan, woman and that's ensure all of them. People, I want to get them a thing from. I want to get them thing from Jamaica. The ensure, when the ensure, how the ensure come in? Somebody tell me what the ensure is for. Because we always do some dumb stuff. Jumping off a box between woman leg. Where other country, you see that happen. Where other country, you see man a grab woman and a run all up in a tree with them. Run all up in a fence and a beat up one, bang, bang, bang. They have run out of it. Which other country you see man look up? Animal behavior. I come out of dance hall. The other day, I see a woman a peel banana in a dance hall. And what is that? Some look a selector boy and mash up the country. Some look a selector boy and mash up the country and fireborn for Uno. First time, you know, selector used to stay behind the amplifier and perform. Select. And when start time come, a DJ and singer come before the amps. Now, when dance start, a DJ a come, selector come before the amps. With a bunch of yelling and noise making. That's why I don't got them dancing no more. Me no got dance, so I hear some boy a scream out like a devil worshipping. It don't sound like demonic. Listen dance all nowadays. You know, call it back in days, listen to love. You know, big everybody in the dance and blah blah blah. You think so dance used to be cool. Even man like Sky Juice and Ricky Troop and them and they, I said something, it's different from now. Now listen to dancehall tapes. It's like a devil worshipping, screaming. Listen to the type of sound that is coming out of these selector throat. Everything is so wrong, people. Everything is so wrong. I will look at it and say, no, man. Lower the youth them, and I say, I youth my role, I blame the parents them. What parents? Parents now listen to tune. England ban the music them, you know. And some Caribbean country ban them type of music there. Because England know how dangerous it is to the youth them. They find a relationship between violent music and violent crime. There is a relationship. There is a relationship. Jamaica gonna find. Look on your blood in our country. Because Babsy Grange failed to do our job. Look on the blood, Babsy Grange. What is your move, Babsy Grange? What is your move? What is your move, Babsy Grange? What is your move? You have young artists that come there, you don't care, you sit down and tell them, say, oh, no, do good music. Babsy Grange, what is your move? You don't say the music gonna mash up the country. You think I joke this? Look on the Ensure. Look on the nonsense of God, Ensure. Poor people are buy up Ensure, go that ship on themselves and dance. Nasty and disgusting looking. Jamaica people, it's nasty and disgusting. It's nasty and disgusting. So, when I emulate and stimulate a man, they come all over on the face, or they ensure all over on the face, or a man, they come all over. It's disgusting at six stomach. It's disgusting. Dancehall call like a porn hall. Me say we need a different category for stuff like this, Babsy Grange. If a man got dancehall, go see some naked woman and stripping out of my sexual stuff. Babsy Grange, this is supposed to be a different category. Who are take care of the dancehall? If you want to go some dance where the girl show Ensure upon themselves, selector tell girl to skin out. If you want to push back up in you, there's a category for that. You forgot one different place with that. But you can't me come and dance and me say one sound and keep up this and bring my bridge and my sister and go there. And at them they stop them exposed to. You see some selector boy? You see some selector boy we are talking about money pull up. That's what I say already, you know. If me ever want to dance, a boy that come in place, you know, you can't do no money pull up. No selector can't do no money pull up on my business. If me hire you to come play, no money pull up. After that you are keep brother, after that you are do this. Promoter on a wrong too. Cause the same money with the patrons, the people them should have spent, buy more alcohol, they must spend for money pull up the selector. On no sense, you know. So when you pay for selector to come on a place, come play. Selector make another hustle pound, you know, but money pull up. So the same money where man go buy some box of drink at your place. The selector get it. The selector extract the money out of your pocket behind some nonsense. Money pull up. Some money pull up selector garbage them. Remember when selector used to be behind the amplifier and I do them thing. No selector there before the amplifier out there so. And them a star boy. Cause selector no real selector, you know. You just carry a laptop and one thumb drive. He done. Selector no come like a back in the day selector. Have a bunch of youth around them. Every selector have him DJ, him singer. Then bring artists. That's why they don't bring the artists no more. That's why the young youth them then grab a mic, the young artists them they can't perform. These young DJs and singers, them cannot perform for nothing on stage. Because they're only made up in studio. You put together in studio behind a program, I just you fix them up. You fix them up and piece and patch them up in a studio. But when they come on performance on stage, them not have it. You change them voice in a studio, make them voice sound like something else. But they ask them on stage show, where the voice there? When we hear it in a tune there, them cannot find a voice there. Selector now teach you them for train them people. When I was going up in a dance, I remember brother keyboard. Selector. Remember me selector them, I have respect to them. Remember me selector them. Most selector that own sound. You have a sound man, and the selector go play the sound. And you know, so we know we selector and the body selector. But when a certain selector around that sound, and when certain man they around the sound, we good. Selector bring them DJ, I come with the sound. Singer, I come with sound. Some man have bad and full of lyrics, I come with the sound. Some man have barely few lyrics, I come with the sound. But them are bill. Because the man with the few lyrics, the man with 2 lyrics, he might come better than you. And so every artist start. The man with the few lyrics will barely get the mic. You know I give him the mic because I look at one style him have. I'm a bill pan it. Next week he come and dance even a next style. And then even a next style. And then even a next style. And they bad up the place. And I saw it come again. Because you have some crosses DJ them. Selector. The devil in them people. Turn the dance in a bag of garbage. Or you got a woman to peel banana a dance. Or you got a woman to peel banana a dance. And some of the chicken at them. Some of the chicken at them don't even know themselves. Run up there. For what? You left your yard, do your nails and you wash yourself off. Your lotion, you put on a nice perfume. You put on a decent clothes. Where you come and dance, come peel banana for? When you left your yard, nobody couldn't tell us to come back into the house, come peel 2 banana. Me say, when you left your yard, I come and dance. When you left out that, nobody could say, come back and come peel banana when you already nice up yourself. So we are going to dance and go peel banana for chicken head. Because they found a chicken head, you know. When I got dance, go do that for? When you left for the yard and a nice pretty clothes and smell up nice and look beard and look good. Nobody could have chose some water pan on else a fight. So when I got dance, go put insure upon yourself. Chicken head. How now chicken head do that? I tell you, chicken head, decent woman do them sit there. And nastiness when I do. Some go-go stuff. More and more, I see the go-go them. Left out of the go-go, come and dance because they have the social media to sell in front even more. Eh? Come on social media, come sell front. Go-go's, I come out a go-go club, I come in a dance hall, come on social media, come mash up the thing. First time we want to go-go brothers, we want to see something different, a go-go club, we go for that. First time dance hall, no bring go-go shit in a dance hall, you have to go a go-go club. No, go-go, I come and dance. Listen to music. I be a killing, I be a this, I be a murder, I be a mayhem. And Bob's the Great, you know, the music will cause a problem. Bob's the Great, you know, thinks that the music, I bring a negative energy, a negative cloud over the island, Bob's the Great. You don't see it. And you only see the see it. You know, see what the biggest problem of the gun, them, when the man was singing at the music, and I tell the youth them to pick up gun. Bob's the Great, and you only see, you don't see it. You don't see it, Mark Gold, you don't see it. You don't see it, family. Why the youth them start kill 12, 13, 14, 15? Me tell my brother already, me say anytime, come and pay attention to them things. Me say anytime I see the killer them get younger at the effect of the music. Why would that 12, 13, 14-year-old murder nobody? You don't have no baby, you don't need a baby feeding, you don't pay no rent, you don't need rent money. Family. You don't even find food for yourself because a lot of them live with them parents, mother and father. So what would possess a youngster, 12, 13, 14, to go take up a gun and go murder another human? The music is telling them so. The music is telling them so. The music is even boosting hits in Jamaica. Bob's the Great, and you understand, see that? When I hear artists promote hitman, hits in Jamaica, say them hits, and them pay for the hit. You know, your artists in Jamaica are embracing and promote witchcraft in the music Jamaica. Bob's the Great and honest. When I hear that, when I believe that I drop a ground, the youth will listen it. And they might use it back part Ono, Andrew Honest and Bob's the Great. You know the same thing when I tell and lock up youth them for, and I tell youth them to stop. You want the youth them to stop rape. You want them to stop murder people. Stop cut throat. Stop abuse woman. Stop all of that. Andrew Honest, Bob's the Great. Even though you don't want them to stop that, can't you hear the guy that made the music and promote it? How can you have a society where that which the government want to stop, a certain sector of the society, and promote it in music? Look at government says stop kill. Man over there say promoting the music loud and clear. Loud voice. Bigger voice than the government who are telling them to stop kill. Eh? Stop murder. Put on the gun. Government why you put on the gun. But the youth them in the music I tell you what, take up the gun, more gun, badder gun, bigger gun. Government I tell you to come out of crime and violence. Man I put in the music, advertising, promoting it really well, you know. Crime promotion in Jamaica is very serious. Every day, you hear them people. And them boy have the heart, Bob's the Great, and you own it. So what I do? What are you guys doing? No matter how much people dead in my country, them still come out there and ball gun. And still do another gun, so because they don't feel nothing for the country. They don't bear no responsibility. It's just like you see a house a burn down, you still a throw fuel in the goddamn fire. Eh? Tell me if you don't see something wrong with this as a society. You know see something wrong with it? You know see something wrong with it? When me just come out and tell about the gun thing, enough people beat me. And more as we go down this road, me see people and say, Carlos, you might be right, you know, Carlos. You might be right. I agree with you now. People, as we go down this road, because enough video me do on this. Enough video Carlos do on this. And to see where me coming from when me just start the damn video yet, to know. Me not read the comment section but me know say most of you will agree with me. Most of you, me not read the comments yet. But me know most of you agree with me. When me just start up people, it wasn't so. But as people say that get more serious, and people say, you know what, Carlos, I true. Me say you see the comments change in the comment section. Music is killing us. Me write that out a long time as a blog. Our music is killing us, Babsy Grange. Andrew Onis, our music is killing us. When it's England ban it, one away for. England ban it, one away for some boy. You not save some boy feelings. Look what people did out there. Till we have another travel advisory and tourists. Andrew Onis, Babsy Grange, what they right you do not do. What not do, really? Like, what not do? What the next move? No crime plan. Make them sing about blood. Every day we advertise gun, murder in our music. Proper promotion for the radio station them. They man just beep out certain things and you them understand what the beep out mean. Eh? Think about what they're doing to the next generation. It not gonna stop. Because the artists them say, stop kill. Put on a gun. Artists who are more influential than politicians are going in the booth, telling you them to kill more. Pick up bigger gun. And if you don't kill in the daytime, you are a punk. And if anybody in the dance ever test me, they're going to murder the whole of uno. You got to dance, you got to listen to some artists. And I pay threatening you the whole night. Any party test me, you're dead. Me this, me kill your dog, me kill this. You got to dance, you got to watch some artists, you know. And you him a threatening, you know. So if you disrespect him, how am I going to kill you? How am I this? How am I going to that? These are the stuff that the youth them listen to every day. Murder promotion. Gun promotion. Blood promotion. Mayhem promotion. Mashing up the country promotion. Shoot after police promotion. You know see the videos, you know hear the song them. No respect police promotion. In the music them Babsy Grange. Where the ratted is your job. Where your job? It's to run around the British there when them come here, like a little picnic. Babsy Grange, what is your duty, Andrew Onis? What is your duty? For up and down all over the place and go and sell Jamaica and go like Jamaica is beautiful. When inside we no good family. We no good family. People look at the murders in Jamaica. Look at the murders. Look at the murders. Me see the US put a travel advisory on Jamaica. Some Jamaica in the comment section say, the US need a travel advisory too, and blah, blah. Where US graded? Look here. Get it on the damn head. Stop acting stupid. We have a problem. We have a problem. At least when they hear the mass shooting in America, then we're going to find the damn killer. There's a mass shooting in Jamaica, 9 people get shot. Did they find him? The man who do it? Whenever you hear things going on in America, they're going to find the killer. If him not kill him damn self before them kill him. Or arrest him. When they have mass shooting in Jamaica, do you hear of anybody with them caught? Killers are walking among us. Killers are coming to your funeral. The night. Nobody know who the killers are. Killers are everywhere. Crime are unsolved. If you want a man to dash you where the easiest place in Jamaica, nobody go searching. Nobody go look for the criminals. You don't know everything the slope. If you have a family member murder, how long before you can get to bury a family member? How long ever pay money to the morgue to keep a family member on the ice? Before them look on him and give a coroner's report. How long? Everything is also backward than my country. Things are so backward. But we really want to wonder, do they really want to stop crime in Jamaica? Eh? While England, police will not carry a gun. Ban violent music. Because them see the relationship between violent music and violent crime. Then police okay, gun, not true. Jamaica, A soldier and police walk on ground, military style. Soldier and police, you know. That's why. You want to see the difference? You have a country who care about them people and can see the future and for them youths. Look at our youths now with this ensure stuff in a school. Look at the local youth them now. Look at the local youth them. You have youths a gangster. You have youths a bad man. Look at youth who go to school. And we believe say affect them. We believe the music. Babsy Grange, do your job as a culture minister. What you a minister of culture for? Babsy Grange, why you a minister of culture for? Minister of National Security, you know see all them thing there? You know see them and talk, Andrew Onis, you know see all them thing there? Mark Golden, you know see all them thing there? Because see them and talk about say, the music need to be pulled back. Music need to be banned. Certain music need to be in a certain category. You man talk about murder, then you have a little girl them. You have some female artists now. We are going like a whore and a prostitute and a some little girl them a behave. You have some female prostitute, we call them prostitute or artist. Some female artists are going like a prostitute. Everything is sex for them. Me pum pum. Steal out the pum pum. Because man go on the market too much, no price of the party. Let me tell you. Too much mango on the market, no price of the mango. I flood out the market with the fluxy mango. Too much pum people. You know good. You make the price of them things that gone down. You remember back in the days where you couldn't see a woman above a woman's knee. When a woman used to wear slipper and all them things there. If you see them people, you know, them think they're better life. You know, you feel, when they say a woman drop her clothes, you're firm like a palm tree. Nowadays, it look like a woman will drop her clothes and a man I wonder how that. So, me don't want nothing, you know. Put her back your clothes and go on home, you know, man. How that? Then the same thing we see every day on social media. Oh yeah, the chip off, I mean, that's not something special. We see that, you girl, put on the clothes, me I call it Uber for you. We don't even drop you off back, me I call Uber for you. I saw it a look. Like, it will come to a time where man don't want a woman. That's why I do a video the day I say, you know. Don't be surprised if more batty man up on the earth, yeah. Because the woman must steal up the thing. And me a real youth, you know. Me see what I go on with the youth, them, and the youth, them I'm concerned about, you know. They live my life already. I mean, can see when certain things are come to step out of it. But when about the youth, them was inexperienced, we don't know if we step out of the line of danger. That's why we adults need to fix it up with them, man. We say we adults and mash up the world, you know, man. You see me video them for the day, man. Me that war with adults. We'll give the youth them the tool to destroy this earth, destroy themselves. I'm concerned about adults for political and monetary gain and reasons. We not pull certain things that hurt the kids. I'm concerned about adults, some adults. Just see the wrong and make the youth them just bask in it. We are talking about adults. We should have steer the youth them. And buy the youth them food, them clothes, them shelter. Adults make rules and laws and make arrests. Adults. When they feel to take something, want to see destructive to the youth or coming at the youth to see it. And no video callers do about this topic. When nobody else have the balls to come up on social media and come say that. Come and free them get clocked by the people. But you know, callers are afraid of nobody, not true. We talk about a lot of politics and I'm afraid of people. Wouldn't we talk about politics? Because it's a very touchy subject. But I've been talking about this music thing for the longest. And nobody seems to want to listen. So me I call upon Babsy Grange and Andrew Onis, Mark Golden. You not get the memo yet? You not see it yet? What me I see? People. Some people know callers. Me not obey man of people, but callers can see things. We can see things from a look at that so. We out there so like when I look on a ship. Out there in the water coming close to you. It's how big a ship is. But when I look at the ship from a distance, the ship looks so small. Carlos can see some things like that. People a long time I do these videos. They see it. Me even tell my brother that before the youth them start kill so. They say wait man, wait until you see the murderer them start get younger. Then you see the real effect of the music. Because them youngsters they have no need to go kill. You can't say yo the man want to look for food for him, look for youth them. Youngsters don't have that the obligation there. You can't say the man wants some rent money or money to send him youth, a woman go to supermarket and just go hustle. Them the youth, they don't have no obligation like that. All them youth want is fast car and gun and phone. Youngsters them. What caused them to be so heartless? What caused them to be so cold? The music is rendering them cold. It's not the first thing we do. People, how many times Carlos said these things? Many. The music is rendering them cold. Their heart is cold. So that's why a man will murder somebody call like nothing. That's why you see dead body parts all over the road of Jamaica. A youngster will take up his phone and he'll go over there and he'll videotape every single piece. Put it on social media. Now, look at you and I when we were growing up. Would we look at a body part? Would we look at a dead person? No, we wouldn't look at them. Why? Why when you hear Ursa come run, go and hide? Why? Why when you pint pan grave by 10 finger? Why? Why? Different era, different kid, different stuff in our head. We never have the murder beat. We never see blood around with that much. Them are youth are used to the blood now. He said that the music, you know. So them are youth will take out them phone and videotape it. And them don't feel no way. First time when I was growing up, I mean look at a dead body. My meds mash up all day. All day, people. Sometimes I forgot bed go lay down. People when I was growing up and see any dead body. I remember one time I got Black Hospital. And I wander around and I say I'm a dead man a out around the marg. Mess up my meditation all day. All day me mess up. All day. Why? Different mind. Different heart. Them a youth, them a check out the video and them a video it. What kind of youth are we dealing with? What kind of generation are we dealing with, Jamaica? Babsy Grange, what's your job as the Minister of Culture? And you own this one I do? Minister of National Security, what I do? You just stand up so and watch the country slide in one hole. You don't see the country go down. You just stand up so and just watch the country go down so because of some boy will do music. Because a few boys will want to keep dirt in the music and poison the generation. You just have food in the arms of Babsy Grange and watch the next generation get poisoned. England find the relationship between violent music and violent crime, and some Caribbean countries too. Some of these artists cannot go to some of the Caribbean country to perform. Them bag of hate. It's terrorism, Babsy Grange. That's terrorism. You have artists that go on a train and teach terrorism. That's terrorism. You have teaching you how to terrorize the nation. That's terrorism. If nobody ever gonna tell the plain truth, Carlos will. It's not the first to do these videos. You're not going to find everybody come out to these videos because they're afraid to come out, come talk. They're afraid of push back, clap back. I could give a rat ass. Listen to the music when you them listen to. Go look for the dancehall. The clocks, when you buy off all the clocks and make clocks rich. The bleach, you all are not turn a monkey with this bleaching thing. You know so I want out of the bleaching thing? No, ensure with it. Ensure with it. Stupid as hell. What do we? Jump out things that we full of style and we are Jamaican and how we first originate this. We dumb. I dumb this that. I dumb this that. When we jump out a tree between woman leg and back. Just imagine this stuff what we do. Miss woman broke her neck a dance. You remember that? Woman broke her neck trying to be dumb. I don't think so them think they're cool. Boy, I jump off a box and have a table between woman leg. Want to displace your pubic bone between the leg. You make a man jump between your leg. What gonna happen when you drop between the leg? What kind of bone that go crack? Eh? Family. Man I grab woman and go up in a tree. Part up a house top. Go wine and jugu. And the selector boy them. Yeah. Egg it on. Someone select a boy are germs. Someone on a select a boy. I don't know if you select. A laptop selector someone on. You don't care if pull up a LP. How much I don't care pull up a LP if a man say play that back. As a number is not number one for the LP. How much selector can pull up a LP? Some of the LP, some of the selector don't know if they pull up a LP. They say, play number 2 back. Lick back number 3. No, lick back number 8 on the LP. On one side, can you find the groove in the needle? Me not talk about press a button and it gone back there, so. Because that dancehall, that's it gone to. You don't have to be no skill. You don't have to have no skill no more to be a selector. You don't have to know if you put on the needle quietly in the groove to be a selector. Those things are some arts, some skill. Dancehall not full of light and selector pull up number 7 on a LP. Remember, dancehall not have no light. Sometimes, man, I pull up LP, you have flashlight, you have it shine on the lighter. Flip, pull up a LP. How much selector boy can pull up a LP? Play back number 7 on the LP there. None of them can't. Them on a selector. Laptop and press a button. Play back number 7. Oh, hit the back button. Simple. You don't have to take the needle with a steady hand. Selector can't be drunk. Them a selector can't drunk. When you have blood cleat, select sound with needle, you have to have steady hand. So when you find the groove at number 7, you find back. You know they over number 6. Get like an idiot. None of them don't know to select people. Them are destruction to the country. Somehow no selector boy. Destruction to everything. Even to the artists them can't not train none. The artists them don't get no training. The young artists them come out on them own people. They don't get no training. They have their little laptop in them room. They make them beat and the music. They don't get no training. Look at all the artists that will get trained with Chatron sound system. Look at them for a different performer today. That's seriously like the older artists that we get training, voice training. We get roughness training. We get embarrassment training. Because man say, yo, put on the mic, man. Music warrior, man. Play music, man. Yo, put on the mic, man. You have to learn to take embarrassment and go sit on one side. You can't cuss off, man, and say, yo, I'm going to shoot you. Certain training, my boy, I don't get. Certain training never did. My young artists do not get no training. Because by the time them grow up, the selector and them I come here place come make money. The selector them come here venue come hustle it, people. If me keep a dance, the selector can't come and place and the money pull up. You have to pack up and go. Me pay you already to come to my place. But you come there to come hustle it. But money pull up. When me look at you alone and me call the money. But hold on, then all the money should I go I buy beer and food and something in there. So you make all the patrons them empty out them pocket and I give you selector. Selector, but stop that. I hustle your venue. I hustle your venue. When the one selector get all that the money there. You know what, man him stop from coming to the place, come buy a couple more alcohol. Because the selector get all the money. Up there make a bag of nice. We see a girl at a dance and a peel banana. When they dress up and leave your house, you think your parents can call you back to go peel the banana? Remember, you know? You dress up nice, left the dance me I go now. On the left of the yard, on the now do that and come a dance and make selector make a peel banana. Chicken head move that. A man can pour some water for uno. But to come a dance and make people pour insure for uno and no chest. Sticky and nasty and ew. What do in Jamaica? This no there nowhere else. These things we don't see nowhere else but right here in Jamaica. The gun in the music, the type of way to kill people. The more vicious way to kill people. If one artist say, my gun, we will murder your family member. The next artist have to counteract that and come back with the next one and say, hey, you got my gun will murder the city. Then another artist come and say, hey, your gun is going to murder the city. Well, my gun will murder the country. Then the next one say, come back with another hotter song, say, you want to murder the country. My want to drop the whole continent or the whole globe. So the gun song them get wickeder and wickeder and wickeder. More ferocious. More vicious. All along I teach you them. Look on the ensure. In a school, look on the amount of sex we have in a school. Even the female artists, I'm turn the youth them in a skettle. Pure sex. By the youth them grow up, sex now have no meaning, now have no feeling. Just like a man cold towards the next man, life. I see where sex is gonna be. I see things from it small like this. Me not be a man. Me say, just like we see the youth them now have no heart against each other. There ain't gonna be no emotion. There ain't gonna be a real relationship later on. It's just gonna be a slam bam, thank you mama, grab me throat, grab me here, bam bam bam. People, me can see it. People, if we not change, me can see it. Do you hear me? Me and the other man, but me see it, I come. Just like I'm tell my brother man, I say give a couple years. Anytime you say the youth them start, people that's before the youth them start killing, the young youth them start killing them. People that was way me have a reason with my brother. This was way before the youngster them start murdering, you know. Me said to him man, say, yo, the gun music come out a long time I do my video them. Me say, wait until you see the youngster them, the murderer them get younger and younger. They will start see the real effect of the gun music. Start seeping at the youth them and get the result that is coming out of them. Yeah? But them ensure. Them sit down and make people stop sending money come go to Jamaica, you know. That's a whole other video. But just come to talk to Babs Grange right this morning and the Prime Minister. Because, like say they're gonna be an inside family. Family. Look, on me say music and the impact on the youth them. Look by ensure man. Look, on say music and the impact. Look on Clarks. Look, people, look on bleaching. Look, anything the artists them say. I mean, I leave this video. The artists them are doing the theory and the youth them are doing the practical. The artists them are tell the youth them to go murder people or what them to do. And the youth them are carry it off. The artists them are tell the youth them what to do. And the youth them are carry it off. Artists themselves mix up in all type of bang around in Jamaica. Artists themselves. Because even if a Christian artist and him just start do a gun song for a bus, we get a bus. Him if I start act like him bad, my family member the same way. Good you to God church. Say my DJ, and I play gun music my DJ about. Him don't know about the badness people. So if him get bus out and I play gun music, he must start walk with a bunch of man and man thinks them bad. So man have to really start bringing the gun round and stuff and make man say, yeah man, we really bad for choose, so we're gonna need this and with that and with that. Babs Grange, put a ban on gun music. You need some regulation of dancehall. Certain things must in a different category, like call them sex song there. But dig out me whole and tab out this. Babs Grange, come on now. Come on now, woman. Come on now. Do something major, do something grand as you get up in your age for the country. Save the music, Babs Grange. The Minister of Culture, doing what? Doing what? Save the genre. Save the music. Look on, people. Me talk to you guys later.
Alright, so now hear Carlos' take on things, right? Me I go end by asking you for comment in the comment section again. What is your take? Do you believe that music has that much influence on people that it would allow them to do things out of character? Talk to me below. I would love to know. See? This has been another one from Unstoppable TV. Like, share, comment, and definitely if this is your first time and you have not yet hit that subscribe button, please consider hitting the subscribe button now. Turn on all notifications. Once you upload a video, then you must get notified. No matter what, don't let nobody stop you. I'm unstoppable and I'm out.
Right now you know we unstoppable. Unstoppable.